Yes, what's going on YouTube? Dooley here with another video. I actually got a few unboxings here for you, a couple of May pickups, June 2nd now, so beginning of the new month. I haven't uploaded in a while and I do apologize for that. Don't have too many subscribers yet, but for those who have subscribed, I'm definitely going to start getting out some more content for you guys. But before I get started, I just wanted to, let you guys know, if you're coming to this video and you're new, if you're into cars, you're into kicks, that's basically what this channel is all about. So if you're into that kind of stuff, modified cars, Jordans, Adidas, Yeezys, stuff like that, do consider subscribing. Definitely recommend it. It'll definitely help this channel grow, help me get out some better content for you guys. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so let's get into the first box over here. I actually can't remember what box is in what, so I'm going to find out with you guys. Of course, have to have the obligatory YouTube unboxing knife, which is this customized Swiss Army knife over here, in case you cared. And yeah, I believe this box is from the Closet Inc., but let's go ahead and get into it. Okay. This is all right. So as you can see, you can take a look at the box one time real quick right over there. That nice gold and black box. A lot of you probably already know these are the DMP6s. Get that out of the way. There's the label, size 11.5, my size. The colorway is black, metallic gold, and black. So let's go ahead and open them up. I'm gonna do it with you guys. There you go. That's the inside. The paper says Unite on it. It was a part of that Unite pack. As a lot of you know, that was also with the that was the same pack as the Fire Red Jordan 3. And there they are. So you know what? There's already a ton of videos on these out here, so I'm not really going to give you my opinion. You guys probably already know what it's all about. But there you go. You got the nice gold hang tag. The nubuck is nice. Yeah, there you go. There it is. Just do a quick 360. There you are. The workmanship on mine is pretty good. Don't see too many glue stains, no loose threads or anything. It's pretty nice. Take a look at the other shoe real quick, and then we'll get on to the next box. Yeah, same thing. It's all right. You got the nice icy bottoms over there, right? You got those gold hits. I really like these actually. I feel like these go really, really well with the Toronto Raptor City Edition jerseys. So that's probably, I'm gonna, rock it with something that's kind of affiliated with that. But anyways, let's get on to the next. Actually, one quick thing I wanted to say, since this is a Cars and Kicks channel, the inspiration for this heel tab on the back here was actually a Porsche. Tinker Hatfield, when he was designing the shoe, took Jordan's Porsche as a inspiration for this heel tab. So it's actually supposed to look like the spoiler at the back of a Porsche. So for anybody who wants to say that shoes and cars don't go hand in hand, they definitely do. Tinker Hatfield definitely used a lot of inspiration from cars, but that's just a cool little tidbit there. So tell me, what do you think?
I like them. They're really sick.
What do you like about them?
I like the matte black on it.
Okay, like the new look. Okay.
And I like the heel spoiler that you mentioned. It's pretty sick.
Okay.
It's 23 too.
Oh yeah,
I like this combination of black, the black and gold.
Yeah. You okay with the blue bottom though?
Yeah, it's kind of blue, but you can't really tell.
Yeah,
it's like an icy blue, like it's like ice.
I believe the originals were clear, but anyways, yeah.
I like it.
Yeah, I know you really like the gold and black kind of colorway.
Yeah.
It would be kind of cool if you get some gold laces in here. Maybe I'll try to do that swap at some point. But anyways,
yeah, you could do gold laces. It's gonna actually make it look really nice.
So here's the next box, again from the Closet Inc., if I'm not mistaken. Which is a Closet Inc., in case you guys were wondering, is a sneaker boutique in, I believe they're close to Windsor in Chatham. And there's also one in London, so they have two locations. I of course bought these online. That's Ontario, Canada, by the way, all of those. Yeah, so here we go again. If you want to take a look at the box, there it is. Real nice. It's a Jordan box. Again, most of you probably know what it is. Came out in May. Put this to the side. Again, same thing. Size 11.5. That's my size. Yeah, and the colorway reads True White and Fire Red Black. And again, let's take a look. So I'm gonna open it up here with you guys. And you can already kind of see it there. A lot of you already know. There you are. It's the Fire Red 5s. Let's bring that a little bit closer. There you go. So again, let's take a quick look at these. Again, there's so many reviews on these on YouTube, so I'm not really going to get too much into it. But you know, it's an OG colorway. You got the nice Nike Air on the back, right? There you go. I'll just give you a quick 360 of the shoe. Again, you got the nice icy bottoms. You see the Nike at the bottom there. Again, the workmanship on this shoe is really good. The quality of leather is great. No issues. Let's pull up the second shoe here. You know, same thing. Real nice. There you are. Nike Air on the back. So again, what do you think of these?
I like them.
What do you like about them? You gotta elaborate.
Do you want me to elaborate?
Yeah.
What I like about them?
Yeah, if you want another quick fun fact about these shark teeth are actually made to resemble the, what was it? The World War II fighter jets. That's the inspiration that Tinker Hatfield took on these, actually. So maybe not car inspired, but still cool nonetheless. And yeah, for you it's just a regular basketball shoe, huh? It's nothing crazy.
Tell me more about it.
Also Jordan 5. Jordan would have worn this in 1990, I believe. He did a lot of great things. He didn't win a championship in this shoe. But yeah, it's one of the original colorways that he would have worn. I don't know what more you want me to tell you about it. You don't really have an opinion on these? Just so you guys know, it's my beautiful wife Fatima, behind, or Gulrani as she goes by sometimes.
Are you gonna put me in there? Seriously?
Behind the camera there, just trying to get her opinion. She's not much of a sneakerhead. Definitely not as much of a sneakerhead as I am. But yeah, I don't think she has much of an opinion on this, so sorry guys.
They look cool. I mean, like the color, again, color combination is cool. I can see a lot of ways you can rock that. Other than that, ooh, yeah, the white is reflective.
I like that you mentioned that. One of my favorite things about Jordans is that most, I mean, at least the OG colorways, most of them are some form of black, red, or white. And as you can clearly see, I'm a giant Raptors fan. So that really works out in my favor because I can actually rock a lot of my Raptors gear with, you know, OG colorways of Jordans, which is actually really, really nice. So this one is actually not a Jordan. This is actually an Adidas shoe. Give you guys a quick look into this. Alright, close the knife always for safety. Easier said than done. Let's see if I can do this. So these I actually picked up for a great price. These were Adidas recently in Canada, anyways, on the Adidas website and on the Adidas app, had a 40% off the entire website, and I had been eyeing these shoes for quite some time, and yeah, so I finally decided to pull the trigger. I'm gonna show you guys the label. The colorway here it's triple white anyways. It doesn't actually say it on the label, but there you go. I actually go up half a size in Ultraboost. So it's a size 12. Generally with an Adidas, I find I have to go up, I have to go up a half a size. I may have said that, I'm sorry. But anyways, let's take a quick look at these. It's an interesting way for the box to open there. So I know that the 1.0s had recently re-released. I didn't get those because I was getting these for a much better price and they looked essentially the same to me, so I didn't feel a reason to get those. But there they are. I can't really open the other one. You know what? I'm just gonna pull it out of the box and show you guys. That just fell. So there you are. It's the Ultraboost. I believe these are the 4.0 in the triple white colorway. These were made crazy popular by Kanye back in 2015. And I've been wanting a pair ever since then, and I finally got them at a really good price. You got the nice Continental sole there, so the rubber is actually made by Continental. And for all my gearheads out there, you know what Continental it is. It's the same brand that makes the tires. So yeah, I've been wanting these for a long time. It's an incredibly versatile shoe, incredibly comfortable shoe. You can wear it in an athleisure look. You can't really dress it up all that much, but nonetheless, you know, you can still wear it with, you know, a nice pair of jeans and stuff like that. You can go out in them. Definitely been looking for these for a long time, and I'm really happy to finally have them.
Oh yeah.
So tell me, what do you think of these?
I like them. I like the Ultraboost.
Yeah?
I like that the material is very flowy, like it's breathable.
Yeah, this neoprene upper, I believe what they call it. Yeah?
It's very comfortable.
How do you feel about the triple white colorway?
It looks good. I like it. It's like it's white but has different textures in it.
Yeah,
it has like the smooth white, and then has a sole that has like the little bumpy white, and then has the fabric that's like woven.
Yeah. Also, like, you know, you got the Ultraboost and silver here and all of that. You wouldn't be afraid to get these dirty.
Whites, I'm always afraid because like I'd have to be really careful.
Yeah. Well, that's why I use shoe protector.
Yeah.
I'm not sponsored yet, so use whichever one you like. Right. And last but not least, this was probably one of the most difficult pickups of the year so far. Definitely one of the most hyped sneakers that came out earlier this month. I actually had to pick these up from the States, and being in Canada, that is a giant pain in the butt because the duties that they charge here when the shoes come in is astronomical sometimes. So I actually use a service called Stackery, which instead of a corporation sending over the shoes, they mark it as a personal delivery, and with that they charge you can actually declare the value, number one, and they charge a lot less in duties, so you actually save a lot of money doing that. So these shoes retail tax in around $260 in Canada. I ended up getting them for around $300 because I ordered them from the States. But conversely, had I ordered them and had them shipped directly to me instead of going through Stackery, they probably would have been closer to $350, $400. So I saved at least $50 in using Stackery. So, you know, I would definitely recommend that service if you are in Canada. It's also kind of crummy in Canada because, you know, obviously we don't get the same quantity. I think the Americans had like 40,000 pairs of these shoes, whereas here in Canada we only got like 4,000, so a tenth of that. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly unbox them for you. You're gonna quickly realize what they are once I open the box. Anyways, so again, close the knife always for safety. There you go. Now you know what it is. It's a Jordan 1 box. Go ahead and get into it. Really excited for these. So here you go. If you want to take a quick look at the label. Again, Jordan 1s I actually go down half a size. In large part because I find that they do fit a little big. I have a little bit of a narrower foot and I like the snug fit of a size 11. The colorway here reads black, black, white, and game royal. Again, that's a dead giveaway. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at these. And there they are. So again, like I was saying, there's already been a ton of reviews on these on Facebook. Everybody has their opinions on these. Let's just take a quick look around. So, you know, you get the extra pair of blue laces, which is nice. Quality of the leather is actually really good. The quality of leather over here is actually really nice and tumbled. I'm surprised on the medial side and on the lateral side and on the medial side. So you can actually kind of compare them to the quality of these here. Not the quality, but rather the colorway. These are the obsidian ones. So, you know, I was actually originally contemplating not getting these shoes because I thought these two colorways were really similar. But now that I see them both hand in hand, they're actually really different. Because over here around the toe, what they call the mudguard, I believe, it's all black, whereas over here it's a bit of a navy blue. And although this is also a dark blue, it's a very different blue. So, you know, I'm actually really happy with this pickup. I might actually end up putting white laces in here. I don't know, I've seen a lot of people doing that. I feel like it kind of hits off with the Nike on the tab here, and then also on the Jordan logo, the white there. So I might end up doing that, but I'm not too sure yet. But yeah, so tell me, what do you think of these?
I like them. The colors, yeah, the blue is more of like a higher contrast than the other ones that you had.
Higher contrast? What do you mean by that?
Like it's a brighter blue. It's a brighter blue. It's not like the other ones that you showed were a little bit more. Those were the obsidian blues, right?
Those are the obsidians, yeah.
So the blue on that is like, it's like a duller.
These, right?
Like, yeah. But I like overall. Okay, so I like the shape of that one. I like the shape of the obsidians more than this one because I feel.
Shape.
No,
They're identical.
No, I know they are the same shape, but if you see the fabric on the sides that you were talking about, the white fabric, it's a little bit different.
So you're not talking about the shape. You're talking about the material.
Oh yeah, I guess I'm talking about
The shape is identical.
No, yeah. I mean, I feel like, yeah. The shape is identical. It's just.
So you like it better on these or on these?
On the obsidian.
You like it better on these? Yeah. These ones definitely have a better material. These are definitely closer to those shattered backboard quality, as they say. This is a little bit of a stiffer leather. But one of the reasons why I was really reluctant, actually, initially I didn't really want this shoe. Now I'm really happy I got it. But that's because I thought that I already had so many shoes in a similar colorway, but I don't. I thought that these were really similar to these. I feel like these would actually go really nice with like a Toronto Maple Leaf jersey or something like that if I'm going to a Leaf game. You know, that in case you guys don't know, diehard Leaf fan, diehard Jays fan, diehard Raptors fan, you know,
even the Blue Jays will match. Even the Blue Jays.
Blue Jays. I feel, yeah, these ones would match the Blue Jays as well. Yeah.
Pause.
Yeah. These ones are, I mean, these are definitely more of a UNC colorway, so they're more the UNC colors, which don't quite match the Toronto sports teams. So I'm really happy I picked up this pair. So those were basically my pickups in the month of May. Keep an eye out. I am going to be doing a best summer shoe to drive in. So in that there'll be, you know, the Ultraboost that I just got today, probably a pair of Air Force Ones, you know, let that be a surprise for you. There'll be a couple other shoes in there. And I'm going to tell you what shoes that I find most enjoyable to drive in. Again, that's what this channel is all about. It's, you know, basically in the pursuit of finding the best driving shoe. In the process, I'll also be doing a few videos on, like, for example, my spring maintenance and how to get my car back up and running in the springtime. As for those of you who don't know, as the name of the channel suggests, Dooley's FRS. I have a Scion FRS that's been modified. So, you know, keep an eye out for that content. You know what? I thank you so much for watching. Give a giant thumbs up. Comment down below. You know, what your May pickups were. You know, let me know if there's anything else that you would like to see from this channel, you know, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all staying safe, and have a wonderful month of June.